Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for a while. Just the stuff in my makeup bag. I got this makeup bag, has little cactuses on it. Let's see. It's from Catchfly. I got it at Cavender's and it's pretty big. Probably about a foot long. So I just thought we could do makeup look with whatever is in my bag. And it's just a bunch of random stuff. But I just moisturized my face with this Equate Beauty Anti-Aging Complete Effects Daily Moisturizer. It is comparable to the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Anti-Aging. And I like it. I feel like it makes my skin feel like plump, especially when I use it at night. So let's see. Sorry, that was my zipper. Excuse my mom hair. It was all kind of crazy. Let's see what we have. So when I open it up, it looks like this. Just a bunch of random brushes. Hopefully I have enough. So I'm gonna use this Pore Minimizing Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And Betty right there. And she just doesn't want to go away. Excuse these boxes right here. We're on since I'm moving. So, what is in my hair? So, our house is a mess, but I thought I would just jump on and do this makeup look. So, I'm going to use this BB cream by Garnier. It's like $10 at Walmart and you get 2 ounces. Whereas, like a regular foundation, you just get 1. So, I'm going to put this all over. And I usually wear this instead of a foundation, because I don't really have like acne scarring and all that, so I just wear this. And plus I just stay at home. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I don't need like a whole bunch of coverage. And I haven't glued it back yet. And I kind of like it like this because it can fit in the makeup bag easier. So I'm gonna blend that out. Ivory tin, just a little bit. It's pretty light. And I'm just gonna go back with my kabuki brush and dab it. Cover up, Betty. Definitely made it brighter. My face is so dry. You see all those? And then I'm going to set it with the Laura Geller Bake Bounce and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. I just use this as my powder. This is the shade Light. I probably could use the shade Fair, but they were out. And I just pat this all over for extra coverage. And it's lasted me a long time. That piece of, don't y'all just hate it when your nose is so dry no matter what you do? We need some rain down here in Texas. Every time it's really windy, there's been a fire. Okay, now let's do bronzer. Let's see if we have a bronzer. I got a little sample size of this Ciate London bronzer and bamboo bronzer. Looks like this. Got it in an Ipsy bag. A big fluffy brush. This is Sigma. I'm not sure the collection. It's the teal handle one. It's the large powder F30. I think this is the travel kit thing. I'm not really sure. Then warm up the temples. And down here on the jawline. And then right here under my lip. Oh, I do. This one's from BH Cosmetics. It was in a kit. I can't remember the kit's name, but it's the pink handles, and this is number 1. Just a large powder brush. And taking this Butter Blush from Physicians Formula in Plum Rose. Natural blush. And it smells like coconut. And I don't know if you're like any darker than me, if it will show up. But because I'm pretty fair complected. And I just like to put it on my nose. I don't know why. Look how pretty that is though. It's like every day. Can't go wrong with that. I'm sorry, I've been sick with all this congestion. Take this BH Cosmetics like small tapered brush, number 4. It's in the same kit as the other one I just used. And I'm gonna take this City Color Glow Duo. This is cream, this is powder. It's like a rose gold looking. See that? Let's see. It's right there. I haven't used the cream yet, so I'm gonna use this for my highlight. I'm just kind of gonna go over the cheek as well. Down the nose a bit. Up here on my temples. Now, I'm not a makeup expert, so don't think that how I do something is right, or if it's different than you. I mean, we're all human. We all do it our own way. So next is gonna be the eyes, and I don't know if I have eyeliner. Oh yeah, I do. BH Cosmetics. It is in the shade Malt, and it's the Smooth Canvas Longwear Shadow Primer. I hear it's like a dupe for the MAC paint pots, but I don't know. I've never had one. I'm gonna put this all the way on to my eyebrow. You can definitely tell a difference. Sorry about the lighting. It's like gloomy outside and I'm using natural light. See that? You can definitely tell. Whoa, look at that brightness. Whoa, Nelly. There. Sorry. See? You can tell like it gave me some color on my lid. And I like it. To me it lasts a fairly long time. So I'm taking the Naked. I mean, you're from Texas, you say it Naked Basics palette, Urban Decay. And I'm just going to set it with Foxy and WOS with, oh gee. There's like so much random stuff in here that I can't even find the brush I usually use. So we're just going to take this double-ended brush. I don't know, I think it's by Crown maybe. It's a C416 Crease and Shadow brush. I don't know. Just a fluffy brush. With these two shades, I like to mix them, like back and forth, and tap it. And then I just set it. Same with the other eye. Okay. I think we're just going to do a basic look because I'm just going to be cleaning and packing. So, let's use, I don't know, I kind of want to use this. Let's see if we have a color to use with it though. I think I'm going to do like a peachy look. So I'm going to take this Luna eyeshadow. It's in the shade Jace. Got it from Ipsy. It's just like a matte orangey shade. I'm going to put this in my crease with this Elizabeth Mott blending brush. Just back and forth windshield wiper motions. Gosh, my nose won't stop. So I will tell you that what was I gonna say? If you want to experiment with like different brushes and different brands, I recommend you signing up for Ipsy. It's $10 a month. And I hear a lot of people complain about it because they don't get very good boxes or bags. But you have to like update your profile and you have to review everything, because if you don't like something, you need to review it and say you don't love it. like, it will say, do you love makeup brushes, and you put love it. If you don't love them and you don't want to get them, then you don't need to put that you love it. You need to rate it how you like want the products. Like, I don't really care for lipsticks just because I have younger boys and it's just a hassle right now. So I don't put, like, if I get one, I don't put that I love it. I just put it's okay, and then I don't really get them anymore. So that's the trick to that. I'm gonna take this like orangey peachy shade in this Pacifica Island Life palette if I can find a brush. Okay, Morphe E14 flat shadow brush. I'm just gonna pat this all over the lid. Y'all hear that bird outside? Y'all see that? Just orangey. Then I'm gonna take this SL Miss Glam Ipsy T35 per slice blending brush, and I'm going to take this dark brown right here, and I'm just gonna put it in my outer V a little. Tap it off. Like that. Take it on the other side. Then I'm going to go back in with the brush I used with my crease shade and just blend it out a little. Okay. Then I'm going to take this light shade right here. It's like a creamy champagne. Has a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I put set my eyeshadow base with. I'm going to put it under my brow bone. Then in the inner corner. Okay. Now let's do these eyebrows. I've been using this e.l.f. It's like a brow gel, tinted brow gel. I have the shade medium. I really like it. And look how little this spoolie brush is. I just barely go in there. Let's be honest, I don't really do my eyebrows often. Like fill them in and stuff. But I like this, and it holds mine down pretty well throughout the day. And I just, if this hair would leave me alone, fill in. Like that. I got this online, so I don't know if they sell it in the store. And then I'm just gonna add mascara. And I've been using this Tarte Lash Camera Lashes, Lights Camera Lashes. This is just like limited packaging. And I buy this mascara when it's on sale. Like either Ulta will have it on sale for like $10, or sometimes Tarte is on the website. If you hear those noises, it's my kids playing in the back. Here's the finished look. I do have some mascara up there, but I'll clean it off. Super easy, simple. It can be your everyday look. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more looks like this, more tutorials, just please subscribe, stick around. I hope to do like decor and all that kind of stuff soon, and I challenge you to do a makeup look with just the stuff in your makeup bag, and let me know how it goes. Post some pics below, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.